Coconut oil has a rich history, particularly in tropical regions where the coconut plant is abundant. It has been used for a long time and known as a super ingredient. Throughout history, coconut oil's reputation has been influenced by cultural, scientific, and economic factors. There are various benefits for using coconut oil, and today I will go over 4 of them. First is wound healing. Coconut oil has been traditionally used in some cultures for wound healing. It is believed to have an anti-inflammatory and moisturizing properties that could potentially aid healing, as well as a natural remedy for some conditions caused by bacteria, fungi, and viruses. Studies have reported that coconut oil may have benefits for several types of wounds due to its high antioxidant and antimicrobial elements. When used as an emollient, help prevent infections in burn wounds as well. Lauric acid, a medium-chain fatty acid with strong antibacterial qualities, is abundant in it. Lauric acid, when transformed into monolaurin, has been demonstrated to have a lot of antibacterial, antiviral, and antifungal properties. Other fatty acids are included, notably capric and caprylic acid, have antibacterial qualities. These fatty acids cause viruses, fungi, and bacteria to have their lipid membranes disrupted and ultimately destroyed. Second benefit is cooking. Sri Lankan cuisine in particular uses coconut oil for frying in both savory and sweet dishes. It also plays a significant role in the cuisines of Thailand and Kerala. Because of its unique composition and qualities, coconut oil has a variety of advantages when used for cooking. It has a mild, slightly sweet flavor and aroma, which can add a pleasant taste to various dishes. Coconut is popular in tropical and Asian cuisines, where it complements both savory and sweet dishes. Lauric acid, found in coconut oil, has antibacterial qualities. While these properties may not directly impact cooking, they can contribute to overall health when consumed regularly. It can be used in various cooking applications, including frying, roasting, baking, and as a healthy substitute for butter or other oils in recipes. However, coconut oil can be a pleasant and useful cooking oil, particularly for recipes that benefit from its high smoke point and mild taste, and can be really healthy for you. Third benefit is skin care. Coconut oil is a highly effective moisturizer for the skin. It helps reinforce the skin's natural barrier, preventing moisture loss and keeping the skin hydrated. Applying coconut oil to the skin can leave it feeling soft and smooth. Coconut oil contains many compounds with anti-inflammatory properties. These compounds can help soothe and calm irritated or inflamed skin, and making it beneficial for conditions like eczema, dermatitis, and sunburns. It also contains antioxidants like vitamin E, which can help protect the skin from free radical damage caused by environmental stressors like UV radiation and pollution. Antioxidants contribute for maintaining healthy, youthful-looking skin by neutralizing harmful free radicals. Additionally, it can be a beneficial natural ingredient for lip care as a natural balm to moisturize and soften dry, chapped lips. Its emollient properties help hydrate and protect the delicate skin on the lips. For color and scent, you can add a drop of your preferred essential oil or a small bit of beetroot powder. However, when using coconut oil for skincare, it's essential to choose high-quality, organic one to ensure purity and maximize its benefits. Additionally, individuals with sensitive or acne-prone skin should test coconut oil before using it extensively to avoid any potential adverse reactions. Fourth is for hair. In particular, coconut oil is fantastic for hair and commonly used in hair care routines to provide some impressive benefits. It can be applied to the hair and scalp to moisturize, condition, and promote hair health, as well as hydrating dry and damaged hair, making it softer and smoother. The proteins in coconut oil help strengthen the hair by reducing breakage and broken ends. So why not give it a shot right now and see what happens to your hair? I have no doubt that you'll be taken aback. Coconut oil acts as a natural conditioner, smoothing the hair cuticle and leaves hair looking shinier and more dense. Massaging it into your scalp on a daily basis will help you develop hair again. Due to its high content of lauric acid, which has antibacterial properties that can potentially treat scalp infections and help maintain hair health, as well as preventing hair loss. You can apply it as a pre-shampoo treatment or a leave-in conditioner or as a styling product. And finally, you should ask me, where can I find this coconut oil? It can be simply found in grocery stores that they carry coconut oil. Just look for it alongside other oils like olive oil or avocado oil. You may find different varieties, such as refined, unrefined, or organic coconut oil. You can also discover other coconut products like coconut flour, coconut sugar, and coconut milk, as well as coconut oil for hair. You can purchase coconut oil from online retailers as well, such as Amazon or Walmart or any online retailer in your country. I will leave you some links later in description to purchase coconut oil if you want. Finally, I hope that all those aspects of coconut oil benefits will be beneficial for you and help you in your daily routine, and see you in another video. Thank you for watching.